built a virtual dojo, a place where robots learn to move, strike, and endure. They do not follow scripts. They do not fake motion. They fight. And this is only the beginning. In this update, we added several new moves focused primarily on improving defensive skills and footwork. We also finished the concept art for the first hero automata. Enjoy the fight. Round 1. Tough takes the round. Round 2. Tough takes the round. Round 3. Tough takes the round. Round 4. Round 5. Rough claims the round. Round 6. And the final automata, tough! For the next update, we plan to finish stance switching. This problem turned out to be harder than we initially expected. If time allows, we also want to showcase the first fight featuring the new hero automata. For that, we still need to finish the 3D model and rig. We appreciate your support. So long.